So located a little leak using the ultrasonic and nitrogen, because I noticed it wasn't quite doing vacuum as well and holding as well. And so this fell apart due to vibration, and this was on the road repairs. As you can see, all the tabs. This thing vibrates as much as a helicopter, so it's beyond normal use. So, but here's what I found out. So he took it out exactly the way it was put in, and of course, you know, this was put in a factory with high volume. I can imagine how many burnt up compressors they're gonna get, because the guy putting this in didn't know. So it says in, but the in is on the out.
Those nippers.
Yep. And so under mass construction, fast put together, the out went to the in and the in went to the out. You see where it says out? Out goes to expansion valve, but do you see that line with the pressure switch going to expansion valve? No. There's the expansion valve, there's the line, and the line is going where the in is. So that was our lack of oil and Vibration City. So this case will definitely need some modification with epoxy, and it's probably fiberglass reinforcement or carbon fiber, and steel and brackets and plumber's tape. Oh, yeah. And we'll get this all fixed up, and he should be able to last the next desert race. And yeah, that's about it. So that turned out to be pretty easy to remedy, and it's a goddamn good thing I decided I want to look at that receiver dryer. And as you see in the last video, if since I don't edit videos, if you missed it, go back to the last video on this and you'll see how I discovered that the receiver dryer was in backwards. All right, there'll be a video immediately after that. We're going to remedy this problem right now.